Hello there. Do you love coconuts? They're loaded with vitamin C, making them excellent for your health. Besides their nutritional benefits, coconuts provide us with coconut oil, and their husks can be transformed into roast. Plus, their flesh is absolutely delicious. Welcome to Pete Farm. Today, we'll dive into the intriguing world of coconut farming. The origin of the coconut is believed to be in the Indo-Malay region, where it has been an integral part of tropical cultures for millennia. Ancient mariners and traders carried coconuts on their voyages, using them as a source of food and water, which helped spread the fruit to different parts of the world. Coconuts reproduce primarily through seeds, which are the coconuts themselves. When a coconut falls from a coconut palm tree, it can germinate if the conditions are right. The process begins when the coconut lands on fertile soil or a sandy beach, which provides a suitable environment for sprouting. As the seedling grows, it develops more leaves and roots, becoming increasingly self-sufficient. Over several years, the young palm grows taller and begins to produce its own coconuts. Coconut palms are typically monoecious, meaning they have both male and female flowers on the same tree. Pollination can occur via wind or insects. Once pollinated, the female flowers develop into coconuts, completing the reproductive cycle. With their tough exterior, harvesting coconuts demands a farmer's skill and strategy. Farmers use long bamboo poles to knock them down. Concerned the coconut might crack when it falls? Don't worry, its shell is incredibly durable. In some regions, it was even used as a weapon in the past. Each month, millions of coconuts are transported to factories. Dedicated workers carefully remove the outer husk and bore a hole into the shell. Voila! Out comes the clear and sweet coconut water. This refreshing drink will find its way to homes across the Americas, Europe, and Asia. Coconut water is so refreshing. Do you like it? The white coconut meat is a treat as well. Moist coconut meat can be canned directly for our enjoyment. With some processing, we get coconut milk and coconut cream. If you dry and grind the flesh, you get coconut flour, which is rich in fiber and protein and quite delicious. But the uses don't stop there. The coconut shell is also valuable. Its tough fibers are used to create incredibly strong ropes. A 100% natural rope, how amazing is that? If the shell is finely shredded, you get coconut coir. Coconut coir retains moisture and is breathable, helping to balance soil pH. This incredible material can enhance crop growth, making it a true friend to many farmers. The workers press the coconut fibers into bricks for easier transport and storage. Every part of the coconut is remarkably useful. I am truly grateful to every hardworking farmer and worker out there. Thanks to them, we get to enjoy delicious coconuts and their versatile products. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of farming. See you in the next video.